Words translation. In Arabic, ghasil. In English, wash. In Tagalog, hugas. And in Magindanaon, panggagasa. In Arabic, saba. In English, shower. In Tagalog, ligo. And in Magindanaon, pagbego. Next word translation in Arabic. Albes. In English, get dressed. In Tagalog, bihis. And in Magindanaon, pagsambi.